Removing red wine stains from your carpet. Today, we're going to tackle a common and pesky problem: red wine stains on your carpet. We've all been there, accidentally spilling that glass of red wine and panicking about how to remove the stain. But fret not. In this video, we'll share some effective tips and techniques to help you get rid of those red wine stains and restore the beauty of your carpet. 1. Act quickly. Time is of the essence when it comes to red wine stains. The sooner you act, the better chance you have of successfully removing the stain. Grab a clean cloth or paper towel and gently blot the stain to absorb as much wine as possible. Avoid rubbing, as it can spread the stain further. 2. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix a solution of 1 part dishwashing liquid and 2 parts warm water. This gentle solution will help break down the stain without damaging your carpet fibers. 3. Blot and rinse. Using a clean cloth, apply the cleaning solution to the stain and blot gently. Continue blotting until the stain starts to fade. Then, rinse the area with cold water and blot again to remove any residue. 4. Try vinegar and baking soda. If the stain persists, mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Apply the mixture to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, sprinkle baking soda over the area and gently scrub with a soft brush. Rinse with cold water and blot dry. 5. Use commercial stain removers. If the above methods don't completely remove the stain, you can try a commercial carpet stain remover. Follow the instructions on the product and test it on a small, inconspicuous area of your carpet first. Conclusion: with these tips and techniques, you can confidently tackle red wine stains on your carpet. Remember to act quickly. Prepare a cleaning solution, blot and rinse. Try vinegar and baking soda, and use commercial stain removers if needed. Don't let red wine spills ruin the beauty of your carpet.